So again, I want you to put the out hose from the laser into the in of the chiller, or the out in of the chiller into the out of the laser. That way you create a loop for the water to go through. Then I want you to hook up the air up for the air compressor, and now plug the laser in and turn it on. You'll see the laser go home and go all the way to the top. If you hear any grinding, it means you didn't remove all the packing. Just hit the emergency stop. There's a big red button on the top, and the laser will turn off. Now, moving forward, don't forget about your surge protectors. The reason why I have you buy two is because you can't plug too much stuff into it. If you're a 5598, you're going to buy two surge protectors just for the blowers and the cells all by themselves. Then you have the one for the chiller and the laser, or if a normal one, your exhaust and your air pump. But like I say, with the 5598, you actually get 4 exhaust blowers, so you're going to need more of them. Once the unit goes home, I want you to jog it around using the pendant, right? So you have the surge protectors mounted close to this pendant so that you can turn the power off and on from there. So to turn it on, you have to turn the key on, and then you have to release the emergency stop. Then turn the surge protector on, and at that point, your surge protector and your chiller should come on automatically. If the chiller doesn't come on, that means that the on switch is on. And remember, with the chiller, you have to make sure there's a signal cable hooked up to the back of it, from the back of the laser to the chiller. If it doesn't see the chiller, the beam will not fire. So if you don't have that hooked up and your beam's not firing, that's why it's not going. Now, once you jog it around, I want you to jog it over a piece of wood, and I want you to grab the nozzle and move it up, and you should see a little red light underneath the nozzle go off and on. That's your autofocus proximity sensor. It's very important that you see that. Then what I want you to do is there's some gray buttons here, and that should move the head up and down. But if you go to ZU, you can move down to the U area and then lose the right and left arrows to move the platform up and down if you're a 2436 or 3655. On the 5598, you don't have any U control. Now, what you want to do at that point is you want to, there's a button here called your pulse button, or your laser button, sorry. You hit the laser button and you should see the meter right above there. It's in the area right above it. Move, and you should burn a dot onto that piece of wood. At that point, you're technically through the main part of the pre-installation. You are ready for me. This means the laser has survived shipping. All right, moving forward.